So at Morehouse School of Medicine, education, research, and community service are not three separate pillars. They are very beautifully integrated in the common mission and vision, and that then extends into what is taught, how it is taught, and for what reason it is taught.
So specifically as a first-year student, we have a community health course that is basically a partnership with different nonprofit and volunteer organizations where we can physically go into the community, speak to people in the area, get a feel for the problems that have been present in their neighborhood or their area, and kind of work through solutions for moving forward to break down those systemic barriers that are in place.
So Morehouse School of Medicine Office of Community Engagement builds real change by first listening to the community. So that community engagement office then helps provide opportunities in communities that are looking for partnerships with our medical students, with our PA students, with our PhD students.
Many of the issues that Atlanta and the Atlanta metropolitan area faces when it comes to health equity, those same issues are faced around the United States. And so what the More in Common Alliance does is work with and collaborate with hospital systems and partners in different areas around the country who are experiencing the same thing, helping to train, helping to educate, and helping to lead.
That's why we're excited about MICA, because it's taken a well-oiled model that we've created in Georgia, and now we're spreading that across the United States.